Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to update, change or modify a field level security of an object in Salesforce. So in Salesforce, field level security ensures that the field data is accessible by authorized user, and that helps in maintaining the security and privacy of the Salesforce objects. And by modifying the field level security, we can control the access of the users by adding or removing the access of the users from a field. So it is possible to modify and update the field level security in Salesforce Lightning and Classic editions. So first we will update field level security in Salesforce Lightning. So let's move ahead and see the process. So right now I'm in the Lightning edition of Salesforce, and here to update a field level security, you have to first go to this object manager, and in the object manager you can see a list of standard and custom objects. And from here you have to select an object in which you have to update field level security of a field. So I have selected the object campaign, and in the object click on this fields and relationships, and in the fields and relationships you can see the list of multiple fields, and from here you have to select a field in which you have to update the field level security. So for that I have selected this field contacts in campaign, and now you have to click on this set field level security button, and in this window you can see the list of users that are having the access of this field, and in the visible column you can check or uncheck the profiles to add or remove from this field. And after adding and removing the profile, click on the save button, and as we click on the save button, the field access or the field level security will be updated according to the changes we have made. So this is how we update our field level security in Salesforce Lightning. Now let's move ahead and see the same process in the Classic. So right now I'm in the Classic edition of Salesforce, and here from the home page we have to first navigate to the setup page, and for that click on the setup tab, and on the setup page go to this left hand sidebar, and under the build section click on this customize drop down, and it will show you the list of the objects, and from here select the object in which you have to update or modify the field level security. So I will select the object leads. So I will click on the drop down, and in the drop down select the option fields, and in the fields you can see the list of fields related to this object, and from here you have to select a field in which you have to modify or update the field level security, and in this example I have selected the field mobile, and in this window you have to click on this button set field level security, and in this step you can see the list of profiles that are having the access of this field. So we can add or remove the user by enabling or disabling the checkboxes. After making the changes we have to click on the save button. So as we click on the save button, the field level security will be modified according to the changes that we have made. So this is how we update field level security in Salesforce. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.